Want to see your pending follow request on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to view your pending follow request on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Threads app on your device. Then click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the two horizontal lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on Privacy. Tap on the profiles you follow. Now click on Pending button. Here you can see all the pending follow requests. And that's how you can view your pending follow request on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.